Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at how to see your card number on TD Bank app. It's important to understand that for security reasons, banks often restrict the full display of card numbers within their mobile apps. However, TD Bank does provide ways to access certain card information and manage your cards through their app. Here's the general overview. Banks prioritize security for card information, so displaying the full card number within an app can pose security risks. The TD Bank app does allow you to manage your cards in various ways, including viewing card activity, locking and unlocking your card, adding your card to digital wallets. Adding your TD Bank card to digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay is a secure way to make contactless payment. When you add your card to digital wallet, the wallet creates a virtual card number, which is different from your actual card number, adding a layer of security. The TD Bank app provides robust card management features. It is best to explore the card management sections of your app. To get the most up-to-date information, it is best to download the TD Bank application and explore the options available. Or you can also refer to the TD Bank website or contact their customer service. In summary, while the full card number may not be readily displayed within the app for security reasons, TD Bank provides tools to manage your cards effectively. And using digital wallets is a secure method of making purchases. Hope this helps you.